Hi everyone, doing another update. This is Revit 2026.4. Just released last week. We are going to roll this out to our staff next week, but prepping it in Intune, getting it ready, so I don't have to think about it. So I've already kind of done the practice install with this one, but kind of want to walk through it. So we'll bring up the PowerShell script. See, it's pretty straightforward. If you've seen my other videos for updates, they're pretty easy. You just kind of call the file with a quiet. We have a few other things in here, like I copied the install from the temp folder to the Autodesk folder and run from there. Also then delete the update file after the install is done. So this is a wait 2 minutes after install and delete. Kind of just keeps machine space clean, makes it easy and straightforward. We will go through kind of making the package, but this one is pretty easy. So we're going to call the packaging app. We're going to put in our input folder, input Autodesk. You don't have to worry about quotes in these lines, so space is okay. Setup file for this is our Revit 2026 for install. And we'll create the output folder. Now, full disclosure, I already did it, so it's asking me to delete. And then it's going to recreate it, just so you see how long the process takes. We'll go over some of the Intune settings over here and kind of go from there. But you can see just created this morning so that it's out for release. But we came in, we named it, pretty much copied the release notes here. You can see the preview. Add a publisher, you have to put this in, so just Autodesk, the version number, a link to the help section on their website. We'll go through kind of what else. You can see our PowerShell script just basically calls or our install command just calls the PowerShell script. Pretty easy, the execution bypass. Requirements, Windows 10, but we're actually all Windows 11, so we could pick something else, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's at least Windows 10. And then our detection rule. This is a registry key, which we will bring up as well. So this registry key is under local machine software Autodesk Revit. And then you want to go into the Autodesk Revit 2026, not just the 2026. And you'll see kind of the release keys. So if you had other versions installed on the machine, you'll see 3, 2, whatever. 4 is what we're targeting. We're going to use this RxID as our target, and that's the value. So you can see, our value name, string comparison, we want it to equal this. This registry key is one of the last things created during the install process. So once that's there, you're pretty good. So we'll go through that. We'll review and save it. So that's kind of our quick and dirty, make the Intune setup. One thing I also want to show, right now, since we're not rolling this out yet, while our teams kind of check with the consultants we work with, make sure everyone's on the same version. I have it available for my staff so they can see it in Company Portal, but it's not installing. You can see from our dependencies, it's looking for Revit 2026 before it installs. And our supersedence is superseding the 3.0 update. So basically, once we make this required for all devices, any machine 2026 automatically gets it. Anybody installs 2026 in the future, they'll automatically get it. And the 3.0 update will just kind of become irrelevant as this kind of takes over. So that's pretty straightforward there. You can see our package is done, so we'll go take a look at size in our output folder. So this is about 1.8 gigs. So that's what you'll be uploading as you kick this off. I would say Intune's been a little hit or miss this morning in terms of speed of upload. So if you're doing anything today, just something to keep in mind. But I will get this posted. Hope you all have been enjoying the videos. If there's anything you all want to see, please feel free to comment below. And I will look at creating more and more. I do have a few other videos to make over the next week or so. Some of the other updates coming out. Now this works. There's a license manager. There's an installer update for security reasons. So things to check out if you're managing all your Autodesk installs. Thanks.